Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Kraken Desktop app on your PC or laptop. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install the Kraken Desktop app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to open Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your browser, the next thing you need to do is go to the official Kraken Desktop download page. So for that, just type kraken.com/desktop into your search bar and then press enter. And once you're on the page, you'll see the Kraken Desktop app along with the available download options. From here, simply select the version that matches your operating system. In my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to choose the Windows version. And after that, the installer file will start downloading. Just wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open the installer file. And then the installation setup will begin. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions and click Next whenever needed. And then click Install to start the installation process. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You will now have the Kraken Desktop installed, so just log in or create your account, and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.